children. Today here we are going to make a craft work for Christmas. Our craft work will be a candle and it will be hanging on a round sheet. Now for that what all things do we need? We need two round cardboard sheets. So you need a compass for that. You can keep a compass to make the rounds. Okay. As it is being shown, you can draw the circles and then cut with the scissors and keep it ready. Now for the next things are, you need green sheets, green colored glitter sheets like this, and you also need red colored glitter sheets. You will need a small piece of golden colored glitter sheet. With that, you will need one silver color glitter sheet, few bells you will need, thermocol balls you can keep for decorations, and you can also keep this kind of stars for further decoration. And you will also, as you can see, we have this small star, ready-made star. You can make this star or you can buy it from the market. And another thing we need a small piece of ribbon to make the hanger. Okay, so let's start doing. Start making it. See, you have this, your compass you have. Take the measurement of the circle and you will make another circle on this glitter sheet with the same radius, okay, of same size. Okay, after making it, you will cut this foam, you will cut this glitter sheet, yes, in the shape of the rounds, that cardboard rounds that you have made. So you can see, children, we have cut these rounds out of this glitter sheet, and now we are going to paste this glitter sheet over this cardboard round with the glue, or this Fevicol you can stick, or you can use glue gun. Press it properly, press it hard. If you want, you can keep it pressed so that both the things get stuck together. Same thing you will repeat for the second round also. You will put the gum like this and then stick that your glitter sheet over it. Okay. So now press it hard and let it dry and stick with the foam. So you can see that we have made a loop with this ribbon. With this ribbon we have made a loop. Now we are sticking the loop with the sellotape. So now you can, children, you can also use gum to stick this loop into the round, into this cardboard. Okay?
Start.
Now we are sticking these two rounds, these two pieces together using this Fevicol. So you can see that you should be careful while pressing so that these are pressed, these are stuck properly. So you can see this is the look. This is the look of the base. Now next part we have to make the candles. So now draw the candle at the back of the red foam. Okay, red glitter foam. Draw it like this. Then cut the shape according to the drawn one.
Start.
Next we have to draw the flame behind the golden sheet. You will take the golden foam. And draw the flame like this. Okay, now we will cut the flame.
Start.
Now you can see that you have to cut the candle like this, and you have to stick it on the green sheet. And the flame will be stuck like this. Now in middle of this yellow flame, you have to put one red, small little red flame. For that, we need to cut another small piece from the red foam. So now children, we have to make the molten wax, shape of molten wax using this silver sheet. So at the back of the sheet, we will be drawing, we will be giving the shape of molten wax. One will be smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger, like that. It won't be equal. Okay, now we will cut the shape and stick over the candle. Now the candle is ready. We have cut the candle. Now we will stick it over the round sheet. Yes, after sticking the parts, you can see children, the whole thing, whole candle will look like this. Now we will decorate its border with, we have thermocol balls, we have small balls of silver and golden stamps. We will decorate this border with those things. Now we will make the bow for your wall hanging. Okay, so for that we need red colored foam paper again, and we will cut into a square. So we have taken 15 centimeter length and breadth. Okay, we are going to cut into a square. So length and breadth both will be same. We have taken 15 centimeter square. Okay, now we will cut it and show how to make the bow for the wall hanging. Now you can see the square paper, which was 15 centimeter length and 15 centimeter breadth. Now we have drawn two diagonals. Can you see two intersecting diagonals we have drawn? Now one triangle will be cut and separated. So you can see children, turn it. Yes, in one part the triangle is cut and it is separated. In other two parts we have not cut it and separated, but we have cut it very close to the center, keeping it intact with the center, so that we can fold and stick the other parts over there. Stick the other parts, fold and stick, fold and stick. Yes. Now you can see that the other two sides we are cutting and making it little smaller. Okay, just little smaller from both the sides. Another side, yes, another side also we will cut and make little smaller. Okay. Yes, now you will stick the parts. To make the bow, you will stick the parts. You will put glue in the center and now fold it, glue in the center like this, and then you will fold the ends like this. One end will be folded like this and another one will be folded like this together, and the middle portion will have little gap as it is shown. Yes, and the other second part. So children, you see that if it is not sticking, you can use the stapler. You can use the stapler to staple. Yes, fold it like this, then hold the ends and you can put the stapler. Okay, if you have glue guns, it will be better, it will stick nicely, and now it will look like this. And the bottom part where the ribbons are hung, that has to be drawn like this. See, as Miss has drawn two slanting lines and this pointed part of the ribbon, and then it has to be cut with the help of scissor. Now as you see, the bow is ready now. Now after that, we will put this bow on the main wall hanging. Yes, here we will be putting the bow, and in the center of the bow, for the center of the bow, we will make some ivy leaves and cherries to stick here. So you can see that we have cut these leaves from the green sheet, and we have cut these circles for the cherries from red sheet. Now we will stick these leaves over here and put the cherries like this in between, and our article will be ready. So this is the final look of the wall hanging Christmas craft, children. So you can see the borders. We have decorated the borders with dotted yellow, golden, red and silver dots. So you can use a kind of lace, golden lace or silver lace.